Kakaibang date to mga Zay. So ayan, for today's vlog, ayan, samahan nyo kami sa Ferrari World Yas Island, Abu Dhabi. So this is my first time to ride a roller coaster, guys. And the thing is, dito pa talaga guys, sa pinaka fastest roller coaster in the world. Ito lang yan sa my Ferrari World Abu Dhabi Yas Island. Oh my God! I'm kinda nervous guys, but I'm also kinda excited, o diba? Anyway, share ko lang itong building na to guys. Ito pala yung climbing building. Doon kami nagka-climb ng aking Jusawa. So, ayan guys, finally, we are here at Ferrari World. So anyway, before you enter, they will check your bag and everything. So once they check your belonging guys, you can go directly to the ticketing booth to buy your ticket. You're not gonna believe this guys, I've been here in the UAE for over 7 years and this is my first time to enter Ferrari World. Well, I'm not shocked at all because the ticket is not funny guys, it's crazy. So bali kami ni Jusawa kasi guys, meron lang kaming isang free ticket dahil nga naka-check-in kami sa Yas Plaza Hotel. So ayan, isang ticket lang yung free. So ayan, bumili kami ng isa para makapasok kami ng dalawa. Para dalawa kaming mag-enjoy guys. O diba, finally, nasa loob na kami. Tapos ito nga pala yung view. Ito yung makikita mo sa loob guys. Ayan, mga expensive Ferrari cars. O diba, bongga. So anyway, at this moment guys, we are looking for all the rides that we can try. O diba, bongga. Itong car na to guys, nakikita ko lang to sa kalsada guys. Ayan, mapapalingon ka na lang talaga. I wonder how much it cost this one. Maybe $1 million. Charot. And also they have some party going in here. I think it's for kids guys. Oh. When we finally found all the rides guys, they said camera, it's not allowed. Oh my God. So we didn't get a chance to film our adventures, our rides. But it's okay. We are gonna remember that forever guys. And also this another ride. This is the only rides that they allowed camera inside. And in this exhibition, they're gonna show you how they build the Ferrari. And after all the rides guys, ayan, nag-ice cream muna kami ng aking Jusawa guys. Kaya napagod kami, nag-dry yung aming lalamunan kakasigaw sa roller coaster. Ito nga pala sa isa sa mga ni-ride namin. Tapos yung isa pa nasa labas, yung outdoor roller coaster. Akala ko nga guys, hindi na ako makakauwi ng buhay. So sobrang nervyos at takot ko kanina. Oh my God. As in, wala akong tigil kakasigaw guys. As in, yung lalamunan ko sobrang dry na. Hindi na ako makalunok. Halos nakapikit ako all the time guys. Kasi ang taas, natatakot talaga ako. So anyway, it was a good experience guys. O diba? Kakaibang date yung nagawa namin ng aking Jusawa. Ganito kami ni Jusawa guys, mahilig kami sa adventures, try new things together. O diba? Mas nag-i-enjoy ka talaga pag kasama mo yung mahal mo. O diba? So anyway guys, ayan, pauwi na kami. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aming vlog for today. I apologize nga lang kaya hindi ako nakapag-film ng aming mga rides. Kaya bawal man ang camera guys, tsaka cellphone bawal. So anyway guys, yan lang yung ating video for today. Thank you for watching and see you on my next mini vlog. Salamat! Habibi, come to Ferrari! Bye!